as a matter of principle, it is very honorable for anyone to honor his pledge. In human relations, anyone who honors his pledge is an honorable man. Consequently, you have a party and it writes a manifesto which becomes a social contract, because you write a manifesto and you present it to the electorate and you urge the electorate that here is a manifesto which is a blueprint of what we are going to do once you give us the mandate to do so, and people do so, they give you the mandate. To fulfill the mandate given as pledged is a social contract. Consequently, this manifesto review week has been extremely very good, because we are about 3.5 years in the term, so we still have 1.5 years to go. And within these 3.5 years, we have achieved more than 80%. You can say 85% of what we pledged is achieved. I feel confident the 15% which is not yet achieved will be achieved in the remaining 1.5 years. That is honorable. That's why I can say confidently and justifiably that NRM deserves a renewal of its mandate to continue to lead this country, because NRM delivers. It has delivered on its pledge, it is honorable, and consequently, it is in the interest of this country that this continued stability, continued progress, continued security, even lifespan. Yeah, the average life expectancy of Ugandans has increased, showing you Ugandans live longer. Longevity is good. It is an indicator of overall, because ultimately it is the interest, the aspiration of the people, which includes their life, that measures how well Uganda is becoming a middle-income country ever in the history of this country. And this has been achieved by NRM under the leadership of Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. So we face which are very clear. It is almost like you become a victim of your success. Uganda introduced universal primary education, universal secondary education, and universities expanded from one university, Makerere University. We now talk about 54 universities, and these universities are rolling out students every year. So unemployment absorbing these university students rolling out of universities, these students rolling out of university, is a continuing challenge. And that's why the shift in education right now is skilling. But until that is achieved, unemployment for youth is a challenge. It's one of the challenges remaining. Number two, continued peace and security. In terms, continued peace and security is a cornerstone. Our trouble in the past has stemmed from turbulent history, and this is being addressed, but you need to feel 100% comfortable that never again would country go back to violence and turbulence. And the final one, which is a very key element, is governance issues. You see governance issues, the rule of law, yeah, the maintenance of order, yeah, the peaceful, and building institutions, strong institutions, institutions that outlive the lives of those who act in these institutions, remain a constant challenge in our case. And it is being handled. That's